This is a 16-lane expressway that Naypyidaw, the capital of Myanmar, was famous about. As xBhp, we had already done over 50 countries on some of the world's best superbikes and sometimes supercars too. Before the start of this odyssey from India all the way to Singapore and beyond to Sri Lanka via Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia and Malaysia. And this would be a total of 15,000 kilometers in 90 days for a total of 11 countries. And we would be doing this on a homegrown Bajaj Dominar 400s. Not only that, there will be 11 riders who will be joining us in different legs of this odyssey. But you have to see all the vlogs one by one to find out who they were.
So day 31 and we are starting from Inle Lake, which is a very beautiful place here in Myanmar. Wish we could stay here longer, but anyways we have to go. Tomorrow we are crossing into Thailand, and also this is Deepak's last full day of riding with us.
Yes.
Tomorrow he will be leaving for Yangon, from where he'll take the flight, and Salim will join us. And Sunny,
Yes,
how about this place?
this place is amazing. We had a beautiful boat ride. We saw the 1,000 pagodas and we had a lovely sunset. We had a lovely breakfast. Everything was good about this. And definitely this place warrants more time.
Yes. Okay, so now we are going to Naypyidaw, which is the capital of Myanmar. Naypyidaw, whatever you call it. The ride begins. We're going to Naypyidaw. If you are planning a holiday in Myanmar, then do include this in your itinerary. So this is nice petrol pump in a village. The cost of 95 octane petrol here is about 1150 jets for a liter, and which comes about 54 rupees a liter. So petrol is cheap. And this is 95 octane. So yes, cheap petrol. The normal petrol 92 octane would come around 50 rupees a liter. So this is a local shop. They have these cupcakes, cakes, a lot of bakery item. Minglaba. What a beautiful road! What a beautiful road! Wow! Wow, Myanmar, wow!
सनी भाई बाइक को सेट कर रहे हैं, लगता है यहाँ पर हो। ओ भाई साहब, हो गया DDLG वाला। अब सुनील जी गाना गाओ, तुझे देखा तो।
So while going towards Naypyidaw, we found this beautiful farm. I don't know what flowers are these. I don't think these are sunflower. They look like sunflower. So we found this beautiful farm, and we thought of stopping here for a photography break. Wow. यहाँ पे तो DDLJ वाला पोज करना बनता है.
तो सुनील जी को मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पर। तो सुनील जी कैसा फील हो रहा है यहाँ पर आकर?
एकदम मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं जैसे राज मल्होत्रा हूँ, है ना। बस सिमरन की तलाश है।
ओहो, तो सिमरन ढूंढनी पड़ेगी हमें।
सिमरन ढूंढनी पड़ेगी, मैं पोस्ट तो बनाऊँ ऐसा।
नज़ारा यार, मतलब एपिक लेवल का नज़ारा है ये, देखो
My experience with the Dominar has been very good, and I believe that the confidence imparted by a motorcycle to the rider is primarily about two things: how the bike handles and how good the tires are. Since we are talking about that, so far I have not slipped. I mean, I ride very hard, I accelerate hard, and off-road also, you know, I just stand up on the pegs and I usually just take it as it comes. So if you count all that parameters, I think the RevZ tire has surpassed my expectations along with the motorcycle. कि radial tire में क्या है कि when you are braking under hard pressure and when you are cornering with lot of weight, तो वो deform नहीं होता टायर इतनी आसानी से. तो इसमें क्योंकि इस you know the पूरा जो टायर का structure है, it's so strong, so it helps you retain that small contact patch which is actually keeping you on the tarmac, which is मतलब वो जो एक डायग्राम आपने देखा होगा इंटरनेट में, वो क्रेडिट कार्ड जितना दो पैच होता है एक्चुअली जो टच कर रहा होता है ग्राउंड पे. सो आप सोचो 2 क्रेडिट कार्ड पे आप राइड कर रहे हो, और टायर का कितना इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है,
बहुत ज़्यादा.
एंड इट्स इवन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट ऑन द रोड बिकॉज रोड इज नॉट अ रेसिंग ट्रैक. इफ यू फॉल, इफ यू स्लिप, कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो सी माई बेस्ट राइडिंग एक्सपीरियंस सो फार हैज़ बीन in the land of 1,000 pagodas here in Myanmar. Amazing roads. I mean, although they are very narrow, but this is a landscape you see here. And conversely, my best riding experience, when I realized that how good the bike is and how good the tires and everything, the whole setup is, was when we were entering Kathmandu. We were taking 1 hour to cover around 3 kilometers. The road was that bad in the mountains. Even the trucks were, you know, almost falling. The potholes were so big, and it was almost off-road. So, two contrasting situations. दीपक भाई, सबसे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक का और सबसे बुरा, मतलब बुरा भी एक तरीके से अच्छा है, डिफ़िकल्ट कहते थे इसको.
बिल्कुल. अभी तक का जो सबसे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, मेरे ख्याल से बुरा भी कह सकते हैं और अच्छा भी, दीमापुर वाला ही रोड था. रोड बहुत ख़राब था, स्लीपरी था, स्लशी था, तो उससे निकले काफ़ी अच्छा लगा उसमें. मैंने
मतलब बहुत ही स्केरी था
काफ़ी.
एंड
लेकिन एडवेंचर था उसमें.
हाँ, यही तो है.
बिल्कुल.
ऑल वी राइड ऑल, वी हैव टू राइड ऑन ऑल काइंड ऑफ रोड्स. और सबसे अच्छा अभी रिसेंट में ही जो हाईवे लिया था हमने 1000 पगोडाज के लिए, बहुत ही अमेजिंग हाईवे था. उस पर काफ़ी अच्छा मज़ा आया. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. माउंटेन्स,
ज़बरदस्त है,
शांति है, बहुत लेस ट्रैफिक है. And I think that the tire compound should be a balance between long life and the stickiness. There should be the perfect balance, and not many tires are able to achieve that. And so when you take corners, I think it should be little softer on the outside and little harder in the center. So a long life is also important. जब आप राइड कर रहे हो, ऐसे नहीं कि आपको हर 2-3 हज़ार किलोमीटर में चेंज करने पड़ रहे हैं सॉफ्ट कंपाउंड की वजह से.
और रेवजी मेरे ख्याल से 9 to 10,000 चल जाता है.
हाँ, डिपेंड करता है आप कितना वेट और डाल रहे हो. मे बी 7,000 भी काफ़ी अच्छी तरह चल जाएगा इस वेट पे और इतनी हार्ड राइडिंग पे. तो चलते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So unexpectedly, we are passing through mountains on the way to the capital of Myanmar, Naypyidaw. And I mean, you won't really go to the capital for recreational purposes, but we wanted to go just because so that it's a checkpoint. And the other big cities here in Myanmar like Rangoon, which is now Yangon, and Mandalay, well, they also are not really bike friendly, is what I've heard. So we decided to choose the country roads and the other places. Nevertheless, they were also touristy but extremely beautiful, especially Bagan and Inle. They were the highlights of Myanmar. And this reminds me of Western Ghats. for some reason the road quality and the whole serenity, you find in a lot of places in Western Ghats. Look how the road is laid out in front of you. It's not butter smooth or wide, but it's beautiful here. So the rear car has just passed me, and minimal traffic, and that is how we like it. Oh, this is nice. Our penultimate day of riding in Myanmar, and this is the most beautiful day. Look at this, the highway over there. This is turning out to be the most beautiful day for us here in Myanmar. Wow. Just look at this place, man. This is heaven. It's a biker's paradise. Just look at that. Wow. Mountains in India, Europe, but this is something else, man. Corners after corners on the way to Naypyidaw, and I didn't expect this in Myanmar because this is our second last day, but some great mountain riding. Although the roads are a little too bumpy for hard sporty riding, but at least they are roads.
The Bajaj Dominar 400 is an amazing motorcycle to tackle all kind of terrains, as we found out. It is a very proud feeling to ride an Indian-made motorcycle all the way from India to Singapore and beyond. But there are a lot of you who are just starting out the life on two wheels. And for that, Bajaj has launched the perfect weapon, the Dominar 250.
The Dominar 250 looks promising and you can test ride it at your nearest Bajaj dealership. But for now, let's get back to the Odyssey.
What a beautiful place. Look at this. Now we are nearing to the capital of Myanmar, and the road seems to get better. And oh my god, this is a 16-lane expressway that Naypyidaw, the capital of Myanmar, was famous about. And look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 lanes. Why would you build such a wide road if there is no traffic is a question. But I mean, you can have drag races here. You can have all sort of events going on here. So I'm practically, I think, in the city, in the capital city now, but going to a pagoda. And there was one car which was speeding, I think testing its top speed here. That's about it. I'm surprised there are not more. This is like a ghost town. It's almost completely empty. It's rush hour. Supposed to be rush hour, I think. And unbelievable. Incredible. Look at the vast expanse of tarmac in front of me. Oh my god. It's fit to be a runway. I thought that that was the only road previously which I saw, but here is one more. I need to know why have they built this. Wow. It looks like a movie set. Doesn't even look like a real city till now. Okay, such a narrow road after all that. And someone told me that mostly government officials, they live in the city. And of course the support staff. This is what the entry or the
तो सुनील जी एक बात बताइए, ये पुलिस का क्या चक्कर है?
पता नहीं. So I will ask Peter. So why are we meeting the traffic police here?
Yeah, because this is the capital of Myanmar under the military government rules.
Okay.
That's why we need.
Okay.
We need a permission. We have to show the permission as well.
Okay.
Okay. So म्यांमार में दो गवर्नमेंट है, सिविल गवर्नमेंट, मिलिट्री गवर्नमेंट.
Okay.
ज़्यादा कंट्रोल मिलिट्री गवर्नमेंट का है और यहाँ पर कंट्रोल उन्हीं का ही है. तो जो भी कोई टूरिस्ट आता है उसको यहाँ पर
परमिट दिखाना पड़ेगा.
ये अपना परमिट वगैरह.
Minglaba. So anyway, his name is
Minglaba.
So when?
Nice to meet you too.
Minglaba.
Yeah, we follow here to where?
To the pagoda.
Pagoda. Okay.
Nice, beautiful place.
Why elephant? You can see.
Elephant. Wait.
You can see it.
Yeah. Why not? आओ देख के आते हैं.
Gautam Buddha's mother, when she was pregnant, she had a dream and she saw that she had a white elephant in her womb. And next day she told this about the dream to the king and to the priest, who predicted that the child in her womb will bring good luck and prosperity to the kingdom, and it will be a bright child. So they predicted it about Gautam Buddha. That's why the Burmese people consider these white elephants as very auspicious. So guys, almost a month into the xBhp Dominar Great Asian Odyssey, and we have reached the capital of Myanmar, Naypyidaw. This is the one of the latest capitals in the world, and it has a very interesting history. I'll have Mr. Peter, who's our guide into Myanmar, talk more about this because he knows much better about the capital and the country than me. So Peter, can you please tell us something about the...
Alright, so now we're here at the capital of Myanmar. The name of the capital is called Naypyidaw.
Naypyidaw.
Naypyidaw means royal city. So
Royal.
Royal. Like the royal family from the king.
Okay, royal city.
Like
Yeah,
this,
okay.
So in 2005, the military government moved to the new place that is called Naypyidaw. From
Okay.
the time was before 2005, Yangon was the
Okay.
capital of Myanmar, and it's later 2005, Yangon was not the capital anymore,
Okay.
and Naypyidaw is the
Okay,
capital of Myanmar.
so Naypyidaw became the capital in
Capital.
2005. Before that, Yangon was the capital.
Capital, and also Manali was the second largest city in Myanmar.
Okay.
And also Manali is known as for the cultural city.
Cultural city.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So now we are here in front of the one of the famous pagodas in
Yeah, it's
Naypyidaw.
beautiful.
So the
Okay.
name of that pagoda means Upata Sandi.
Okay. Upata Sandhi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the meaning is like to protect any disaster
Okay.
or calamity.
Okay.
So this is the name of the pagoda. It was
Okay.
built in 2006 because in 2005 the military government moved to the new capital in 2005, and in 2006 they also built one of the famous pagoda
Okay.
in Myanmar. And also this is the replica of the Shwedagon pagoda in Yangon.
Okay.
Yangon
Okay, this is the
famous
replica of the... Okay.
replica. In Yangon, the Shwedagon pagoda feet has 326 feet.
Okay, and-
this pagoda has 325 feet.
Okay, just 1 feet.
Just one.
Okay.
one
This
feet
is deliberate.
difference. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, great. So thank you so much, Peter, for telling us about the country. So one thing that you have to remember while entering any pagoda or temple in Myanmar, just like in India, you have to take off your shoes and socks as well. They are very strict and very particular about it. So make sure that you don't wear any boots or socks while entering into any pagoda, temple or any religious place.
बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है और काफ़ी एग्जॉस्ट हो जाते हैं लोग सामान लगाना सामान उतारना फिर
You know the number of steps in this staircase? Okay. Okay.
see my pant
Ah.
you have to hold for a minute wait
It's been very hot and humid here,
my tent is
and
going down
but right now it's much cooler, especially after getting out of the riding gear. Makes you feel so comfortable that you don't want to get back into the riding gear. But riding gear पहनना ज़रूरी है भाई साहब, all the gear, all the time.
आगे से आगे look at the view guys This is magical.
So guys, now we are entering this pagoda, and it looks amazingly beautiful. It's magical. So if you're visiting the pagoda in Yangon, of which this pagoda is the replica of, you will not be able to go inside, but here it's the difference that you can visit inside.
We can shoot na?
It's huge. This is huge. Whoa.
अगर ये नहीं देखा, वेट तो जी हाँ, अगर आप नैपिटाव आते हैं और ये नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा। ये देखिए कलाकारी देखिए ऊपर, और सामने ही बुद्ध की प्रतिमा है। और
So Peter will show us how to worship in front of Buddha. Peter, can you tell us like?
All right. So while we worship into the Buddha, we have to touch 5 things. This is we call like feet,
Okay.
and hands,
Okay.
forehead, and elbow and knee.
Okay.
This is how we have to worship to the Buddha.
Okay.
But every part of the world, even in Chinese people, when they worship into the Buddha, is totally different.
Okay.
So it depends on the place where we are. So
Sure.
in Myanmar, we have to do. I'm going to show you how we have to pay respect or like worship to
Okay.
the Buddha. So at first we have to like sit down like this and make your hands like lotus flower.
Okay.
Like this, and you can make a wish, and you have to pray first to the Buddha. Like this. And 3 times we have to worship to the Buddha. So 3 times mean like 3 gems. Buddha's teachings, and the Buddhist monk. So that's why we have to do for the 3 times.
Okay.
Like this.
All right.
This is how we worship to the Buddha.
Okay. It's the method of worship are different in different countries, different regions. But what matters is your heart should be pure when you are in front of God, and whichever the God it is. Maybe it's Buddha, it's Hindu gods, or maybe you are praying in a mosque, or if you're a Christian. So your heart should be pure, your conscience should be clear, and that's it. Rest all is just formalities. The most amazing thing has happened, Peter, here. The most amazing thing has happened in Myanmar. After our arrival here, we found this
Alright.
Chuski in Naypyidaw. Yes, this is Chuski. Childhood memories.
These are the milkshake.
Okay, it's milkshake.
तो सुनील जी हमें खिलाने वाले हैं क्या?
Chuski. ये बोल रहे हैं milkshake, but Chuski है.
मिल्क शेक है.
Milkshake.
ओके.
Oh, whatever.
If you do like
थोड़ा सा confusion हो गई. Chuski नहीं है, but ये milkshake है, but जो भी है.
शेक है.
आइसक्रीम शेक, हाँ जो भी है. अच्छा लग रहा है. हाँ.
आपका कैमरा आ रहा है.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा पीछे करो.
And this is amazing. It's a pity that we have to finish it too early because tourist police is waiting for us. They'll be escorting us to the hotel. So they'll be escorting us everywhere we go in Naypyidaw. Oh. They're good people, but still.
तो जी हाँ, अब जा रहे हैं हम अपने होटल रूम में. ये है मार्केट.
Wow, look at this road. Damn. So this is Naypyidaw, and this is capital of Myanmar. And look at this. So less people, such wide roads. Amazing. Oh. what is that at the roundabout? Looks beautiful. Look at this roundabout. This is swanky. This is in the middle of the city. Trust me on this. This is not a highway. And it's 6:15 p.m. And this is the situation here. And with more light, this is mind blowing. Wow. And on my left is almost the full moon. Yesterday it was a full moon, and on full moon apparently there is a holiday in Myanmar for some people or everyone or businesses. I don't know exactly, but the fishermen and a lot of the markets, they were closed. So this happens apparently every month on full moon. Only if Delhi was so sparsely populated with such wide roads, super bikes, supercars maintaining decorum on their own. By 8 p.m. I think there won't be even one single soul on the road. It's crazy. I'm telling you that I have never experienced this kind of isolation while being in a capital city of any country. I mean, I've gone to the mountain desert, I've gone to deserts, I've gone to deserted roads, but this city is almost deserted. Look, there is traffic, which is a sight for sore eyes. Finally, I think people live here. Yes. And believe it or not, I'm going to stay in the Vegas hotel. Oh my god. There's a monk on the road. I'm going to stay in the Vegas hotel here in the capital of Myanmar. And no, this was not the entry gate.
तो जी हाँ, लास्ट डिनर,
लास्ट सपर,
लास्ट क्या?
अरे तुमने, अच्छा तुम्हें पता नहीं है वो लास्ट सपर एक काफी फेमस पेंटिंग है। अच्छा, मतलब पूरी दुनिया में जैसे मोनालिसा की पेंटिंग काफी फेमस है ना, ऐसी द लास्ट सपर।
ज्ञान बहुत बांटते हो आप।
ज्ञान भैया जो है बांट रहे हैं, बांटने से ही बढ़ता है।
हाँ, तो लास्ट डिनर है आज xBhp टीम के साथ। सनी भाई रोना आ रहा है? बहुत आ रहा है।
देखो, हर किसी के साथ इतना जमता नहीं है ट्रैवलिंग के वक्त। इसे कहते हैं कि चूज योर ट्रैवल पार्टनर एंड लाइफ पार्टनर वेरी वाइजली। सो जो आपके साथ मेरा वो रहा है बंधन, और आपके थ्रू आपके व्यूअर्स के साथ जो होने वाला है, दैट हैज़ बीन वेरी गुड, अमेजिंग। आई थिंक बिकॉज आप प्योर काम कर रहे हो, दिल से काम कर रहे हो। बहुत लोग होते हैं जो कंटेंट बनाने के चक्कर में कंटेंटमेंट छोड़ देते हैं दिल की।
तो म्यांमार में खाना कैसा लगा?
म्यांमार में खाना यार बस फ्राइड राइस ही था। अच्छा, लेकिन ये टम्पुरा, टम्पुरा ने जान बचा ली।
ये पकोड़े आपको हर जगह मिलेंगे। टम्पुरा बोलते हैं इनको। इसके अंदर प्याज के पकोड़े, आलू के हैं, और किस किस चीज के
मिक्स है यार, मिर्च विर्च पता नहीं, बहुत सारी चीजें। और ये बाथ टब हमने मंगाया था, टमाटो सूप, ये बाथ टब भर के दे रहे हैं कि नहा लो, चाहे नहाना है तो इसमें।
तो जी ये सीन।
हाँ जी, और दीपक के साथ आखिरी रात इस रोड ट्रिप पे, तो यादगार रहने वाली है। बड़ा मजा आया, याद करेंगे तुम्हें।
बिल्कुल, हम भी याद
मिस करेंगे हमें।
तो जी आ रहा है रोना, थोड़ा सा आ रहा है। चलो, ये तो पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी है कि कोई आता है कोई जाता है।
हम जा रहे हैं कल नहीं, एक्चुअली परसों मेरी फ़्लाइट है दिल्ली के लिए यांगोन से। तो चलिए आज का ये जो व्लॉग है हम एंड करते हैं यहीं पर। हम मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, राइड सेफ, जय हिंद एंड सायोनारा।